Hello class, I'm Dr. Lee. We will now discuss the male reproductive system. This is MBC 201, Unit 5 lecture. The objectives of this presentation are to identify the organs and other structures of the male reproductive system, define and spell the word parts presented in this chapter, build and analyze medical terms using word parts, define, pronounce, and spell the disease and disorder, diagnostic, surgical, and complementary terms for the male reproductive system, interpret the meanings of the abbreviations, and read medical documents and interpret medical terminology contained in them. So the function of the male reproductive system is to produce, sustain, and transport sperm, which is the male reproductive cell, and to secrete the hormone testosterone. So here are the organs of the male reproductive system. You have the testicles, you have the penis, you have the ureter, and you have the sac where the sperm is located. So testes or testicle, that's the primary male sex organ. It's paired, oval shaped, and it's enclosed in a sac called the scrotum. And it produces spermatozoa, which are sperm cells, and the hormone testosterone. The seminiferous tubules are up to 900 coiled tubes within the testes, and that's where the spermatogenesis occurs. Okay, that's where sperm is created. The epididymis is a pair of coiled 20-foot tubes atop each of the testes, and it carries the mature sperm up to the vas deferens. The vas deferens is the duct carrying the sperm from the epididymis to the urethra. Then you have the seminal vesicles, and these are two main glands that are located at the base of the bladder, and it opens into the vas deferens. It secretes a thick fluid which forms part of the semen. Then you have the prostate gland, which encircles the upper end of the urethra, and it secretes a fluid that aids in the movement of the sperm and ejaculation. Lastly, you have the scrotum, which is a sac that's suspended on both sides and just behind the penis. Its testes are enclosed in the scrotum, inside of the scrotum. Then you have the penis, which is the male organ of urination or copulation for sexual intercourse. Then you have the glands, the penis glands. This is the enlarged tip of the end of the penis, which is prepuce, which has a fold of skin near the tip of the penis, unless it's taken off during circumcision. Then you have the semen, which is composed of sperm. It's a seminal fluid and has other secretions. And genitalia, which is a reproductive organ for the male or the female. So let's look at the sperm or spermatozoa. Okay, so the sperm has a nucleus inside, centriole, mitochondria, terminal disc, and axial filament. Okay, which is the tail, and around the head is got the acrosome. Okay, so you have here the frontal view and the side view of the sperm. And that concludes this presentation.